Okay, I've succeeded in plotting out these vowels based on these measurements that we just did. I'm still not very good at drawing, but hopefully you'll be able to get the picture. So I'm going to hold this up in front of the camera here. Hopefully you can see it. But basically we have E up here. We have oo, ah, and ah. These are kind of forming our vowel space. So I put in here as well for reference sake. So this is F1 plotted on this dimension. And 500 hertz is kind of a default value for that, or like a mid value for that, where you'd find schwa, which I haven't written out, but is this little blue dot in the middle. And then that corresponds to 1500 hertz on the F2 dimension as well. So you kind of start out there with like a default vowel, and then you change the shape of your vocal tract to get to the perimeters of this space. So I'm also going to plot that out a little bit so you get a sense of what Bruce Hayes's vowel space looks like. And you may have noticed, I'll point this out when I show it to you again, that it looks a little bit like that kind of trapezoidal pattern. I don't know if it's trapezoid or some sort of parallelogram, but there's a little more space for the front dimension up here with the E, and then it kind of comes back here. So it's not just like a square, but then it kind of forms this perimeter here with this is high back, low back, low front, high front over there. I don't think there's anything else I'm going to say about this for now, but I'm going to ask you a question if you actually have been patient enough to listen this long. We'll take a look at is a vowel, as in Haid, and why don't you guys tell me where you think that vowel will fit on the space? Maybe you can make predictions about what specific form and values it will have. Answer in a second.